Imagine a world where you can join Facebook groups without the pressure of using your real name. Well, that world is here, sort of. Meta, the company behind Facebook, is shaking things up by introducing usernames and custom avatars for group members. But here's where it gets interesting. This move could be a game changer for privacy and self-expression, but it's also sparking debates about authenticity and community trust. Let's dive in. For years, Meta has insisted that Facebook users post under their real names, a policy that's been both praised for fostering accountability and criticized for limiting privacy. However, the company is now loosening the reins, at least within Facebook groups. Members can now participate using a custom nickname and avatar instead of their real identity. This shift is a big deal, especially for those who want to engage in niche or sensitive discussions without revealing their true selves. Here's how it works. Group administrators can enable the nickname feature, and in some cases, they'll need to approve each nickname individually. Once approved, members can toggle between their real name and nickname seamlessly. The only catch? Nicknames must adhere to Meta's community standards and terms of service. And while you're setting up your nickname, you can also choose from a selection of custom avatars, think cute animals and sunglasses, because why not add a little fun? But here's the part most people miss. This update isn't just about nicknames. It's part of Meta's broader strategy to revive Facebook's appeal, especially among younger users. In 2024, the platform introduced a tab highlighting local events shared in groups. More recently, it added tools for admins to convert private groups into public ones, aiming to attract new members. While no single change can recreate Facebook's early 2000s dominance, allowing usernames might just encourage users to explore new groups and post more freely. And this is where it gets controversial. Is this a step toward greater inclusivity, or does it risk diluting the authenticity that real names were meant to uphold? Some argue that pseudonyms could foster safer spaces for marginalized voices, while others worry it might lead to increased trolling or misinformation. What do you think? Does this update make Facebook groups more appealing, or does it complicate the platform's identity? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments.